If you want to buy a CINAMAKER license and take advantage of a $40 discount, which is what I'm offering my inner circle, make sure you watch this video to the very end and I'll show you how. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go to getcinamaker.com/now, and that will bring you to the CINAMAKER web shop page where you can purchase the license. Just a little bit of caution now, before you go down to the checkout area of the web shop, do not click on download, do not click on shop. That's only going to make things confusing for you. Specifically, if you were to download the app now, you would not have access to the discounted price. So make sure you stay on this page and then you can actually download your apps from your devices. There's no need to do that from the web page and through the App Store online because it's simply not practical. So just make sure you stay on this page and scroll down to the checkout cart right here, and that's where you can proceed to get your discount. Click on Add to Cart. Make sure that's for one license or as many licenses as you want actually. And the next important step that you want to do, and that's only available on the CINAMAKER web shop, is you want to use the code, the discount code that I've provided you, which is Tolis_Apex. And once you press on Apply Coupon, you'll see that the discount is applied to the retail price. Okay, so there you go. The discount that you receive is roughly $40, which is a very nice discount, and this is special for you guys in my inner circle. And the total will come down to $159.20. That's roughly $13 per month over 12 months. So the next thing you want to do is just click on Proceed to Checkout. And that takes you to the page where you put in your billing details. So just type in the billing details that you want, like in my case here. I'm also going to include my company name. And then you can also use the email address that is associated with the App Store. Okay, this is very important. If you have an App Store account, which you most likely do, given that you have an Apple product, you want to make sure that you use the email address associated with your App Store account. What is important now is that you actually type in your credit card details, expiration date, and security code. And once you've done that, the $159.20 will be applied in your currency, and just place order and you're ready to go. I'm Tolis Dokianos. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you click on the notification bell so that you can get notified the moment I go live with my CINAMAKER and video marketing tutorials.